This Coldwell Banker American Home property video is presented by Annette Harper. Come take a look at this secluded custom-built ranch home on 18.35 acres. Private driveway winds around to the home. This lovely ranch has an open floor plan. For those who love Christmas, it has the Tudor room, which would hold a huge Christmas tree. Nice large kitchen with breakfast bar with plenty of seating for when you entertain. Enjoy the back patio overlooking the beautiful treed backyard and gardens. Lovely fruit trees which already have fruit. Apples, pears, persimmons, Chinese chestnuts, and pecan trees. Spacious bedrooms with walk-in closets. Full unfinished basement stubbed for an extra bath ready for someone to finish. This is a beautiful property. Bonus on this property is that about 7 acres are farmed by a farmer, and the new buyer will get 25% of the crops this year when harvested in the fall. Close access to K4 and I-70. For more information,